China continues to test its new weapon platforms, which just a few years ago were merely designs on a drawing board. New images reveal that Beijing may have launched the stealth drone Hongdu GJ-11 Sharp Sword for flight tests. According to reports, this is the naval variant GJ-11J. This is quite interesting considering that just a day ago, Beijing launched the Type 076 amphibious assault ship, Sichuan, designed to carry unmanned reconnaissance and attack vehicles. One of the images, which is believed to have captured the GJ-11J, shows the drone flying above a network of cables. Although the information is currently scarce and based on assumptions, a brief analysis of the weapon's design can be made based on the image. The drone appears to be a flying wing design, which is typical for platforms with stealth features. This design reduces the radar cross-section, RCS, making it harder to detect by enemy radars. The absence of visible stabilizers or a vertical tail suggests that flight control is likely achieved through complex aerodynamics and computer-driven systems, fly-by-wire. Based on the proportion relative to the wires and the visible perspective, the drone appears to be of medium to large size. This could be categorized as a drone for strike missions, UCAV, unmanned combat aerial vehicle. The source of the image claims that this drone has revised wings. And if we consider the initial known design of the GJ-11, this is indeed the case. The wingspan appears optimized for stability during long-distance flight and for carrying internal payloads to avoid disrupting the stealth features. Underneath the drone, there is a protrusion that could be a landing module, such as a retractable landing gear, but it is also possible that it represents a sensor or observation apparatus, e.g., an EO or IR system. The engine is not clearly visible in the image, but the lack of visible jet exhaust outlets suggests that the drone relies on an integrated system to reduce its thermal signature. Based on this analysis, we can conclude that the drone is intended for strike missions, as its stealth design allows it to penetrate well-defended airspaces. However, it seems likely that it could also be used for reconnaissance missions, as its design is suitable for long flights with low detectability. The GJ-11 is the fourth weapon system launched for tests by China in the last 36 hours. Let us recall that on Christmas Day, Beijing surprised the world by launching two models of fighter jets, which are believed to be of the sixth generation. The following day, Beijing also launched its latest early warning and control aircraft, the KJ-3000. Thanks for watching.